Today I have a Lenovo ideapad 130 laptop, and this laptop is broken this display and due to the falling from the table, and you can see this. Today I will replace this display and I will do some basic cleaning, and hopefully you will like this video. And this basic cleaning is important, and sometimes the processor paste gone dry and processor become very heated, and you can fall this the processor performance gone down, lots of problem, and it's getting slow. Okay, today I'll solve this problem. Hopefully you will like this video. Okay, let's start. After opening all this screw from the button cover, and I will show you. And before you doing anything in this laptop, and you should be disconnect the battery first, and after that do what you want to do. Okay, okay, disconnect the battery and let's do what I want to do. Okay, and cooling pin is clean, there is no dust. This paste gone dry. Okay, you can see this is not wet up, and here is some dust in the cooling fan. This is our display, and you can see this spot. This is the broken display. Okay, let's change it. I have another this is not a new, and this is also old and used display. I will install this. Okay, our job is done. Let's turn on this laptop. Let's see. Yes. Okay, viewers, our laptop is ready, and here is no problem. You can see this display is perfect. Is okay. Okay, thanks for watching.